Hi guys and welcome back. Let's do a simple makeup to attend a family function. First, I am going with Cosrx Advanced Snail 92 All-in-One Cream. This is an amazing moisturizer that gives your skin a beautiful glow from within kind of finish. It also helps repair damaged skin barrier, and it has anti-aging properties as well. I am using the same as my eye cream. Leave it for 2 minutes before going further with primer. Then I am using Maybelline Luminous Putty Primer as a base before applying any makeup. Next up, I am going in with Dewy Balm from Pastel Beauty and applying all over for that luminous base. It gives that Korean glass skin finish, and this Dewy Balm is so good. The formula is really creamy. Next up, I will be going in with Tertier Mask Fit Cushion Foundation, and my shade is 24W Soft Beige. Mine is in mini size. I have been loving this foundation lately because it gives such good coverage with a single layer of the product. Like if you want full coverage makeup, then this would definitely work well for you and doesn't feel heavy on your skin. You just go ahead and pat on your face and blend them really nicely. Then they give amazing coverage. They are very creamy formula, but not heavy at all. So yeah, highly recommend trying this one out. If you haven't tried it already, please try it now. You won't regret buying this product. Trust me. Now I'm blending everything together using the cushion provided with the foundation. So after applying the foundation, my skin looks something like this. As you guys can see, there is no filter here. Everything is completely raw footage. So yeah, this is what it looks like. My skin looks beautiful and glowy right now. Next up, I'll be applying concealer. For that, I'll be taking this concealer from Revlon and the shade is 03. I am applying it under my eyes as well as on top of my eyelids, and I am using it to highlight my forehead, bridge of the nose, tip of nose, and my chin. I am blending the concealer with a blending brush by dabbing with the brush on the applied areas and not drag it. Then I am going ahead with cream blush. This one is from Pharmacy and the shade is 03 Flirt. And this blush stick is so nice. It blends beautifully into the skin. It doesn't feel patchy whatsoever and is very affordable and pocket friendly. Blush to add to your collection. Please check this one out. Again, I'm using this mini blush brush to blend everything seamlessly. I always prefer using brush over beauty blender because I find them much easier to use. And I got these mini brushes also from Dora's. I do not feel hygienic using blenders, so I prefer brushes over blenders. What kind of tools do you guys usually use while doing your makeup? Do let me know in the comments below. Next, I am using this loose setting powder from Lakme to set the cream product, starting from the eyelids and under eye areas. This loose powder is also on affordable side. It doesn't emphasize texture whatsoever. Next, I am taking this powder blush from Para to set the cream blush, and I am using the same as my eyeshadow for today by applying all over lids. I like using blush as eyeshadow. Also, I am applying the same blush on my lower lash line. Then I am taking the Dewy Balm and applying in the inner corner of the upper eyelids as shimmer. And here is a simple eyeshadow look with one shade of eyeshadow. This eye look is so easy to create and taking a little time to do. Also, let's apply Dewy Balm on bridge of nose as well. Time to set makeup. For that, I am using Australia's setting spray. Now time for mascara. Here I am using one from a Magic Professional. I am applying mascara on upper and lower lash. I'm gonna apply 2 coats of mascara. Now for the lipstick, I am using this nude brown shade from the Balm Cosmetics. And this is the finished makeup look for the function. Lastly, to lock all the makeup, I am spraying this makeup fixer spray from Pharmacy. And this is the finished makeup look. Hope you all like it. See you all. Bye bye.